Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. Tom told Tommy to stand on the table to touch the tummy. The curious kid is quite keen to catch the cockroach. So, what are you thinking of me right now? I have become a mad? I have become an insane? No, not like that. Don't get me wrong. I am not a mad or I have not become an insane. But what are those I have just uttered right now before you, in front of the camera? Well, those are called tongue twist. So what is tongue twist? I know now the question is, what is tongue twist, right? Tongue twist is something that is really helpful. Tongue twist helps us to remove our inertia. What is inertia, right? Inertia is something that means জড়তা। বাংলায় আমরা বলি জড়তা। আমরা কথা বলার সময় আমাদের মুখে আটকায় যায়, কথা বলতে পারি না, জড়তা আসে। তো ওই জড়তা দূর করার জন্য এই tongue twist অনেক helpful. To remove our inertia, not inertia, this is the right pronunciation is inertia. So to remove our inertia, we need to practice through tongue twist, right? And also today we will be practicing 3 difficult sounds in English. Those are really difficult. Those are T, P, K, but we often pronounce them in a wrong way. P, K and T, not K, P and T. So we will be practicing those sounds through tongue twist, but please do not go to translate tongue twist because those are not made for translating. Like in our Bangla sentence we often say that kacha gap paka gap. আমরা কি সেগুলো ট্রান্সলেট করি? সেগুলো শুধুই বলি জড়তা দূর করার জন্য, তাই না? সো আমরা ট্রান্সলেট করব না। So without wasting any more time, let's get double rolling. But I am just coming back after a small intro, right? So let's get started. So আমি যেটা বলেছি প্রথমে সেগুলো হয়তো শুনতে একটু বুঝতে কষ্ট হয়েছে। So what are those? Now I am going to slow down. So Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. Repeat after me. Try to repeat after me. It will really help you a lot. It will really work. If you really want to develop your pronunciation on these 3 sounds, it will help you a lot. Please practice with me. Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. Not P, not Peter and Potter. Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. যদি এটা F এর মতো হয়ে যায়, like Peter and Potter, তাহলে কিন্তু সবকিছু ধ্বংস হয়ে যাবে। সো এই যখন পিটা উচ্চারণ করবেন তখন 2 ঠোঁটটা একসাথে লাগবে। Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. So second one is Tom told Tommy to stand on the table to touch the tummy. Tom told Tommy to stand on the table to touch the tummy. But এখানে একটা twist আছে. If T and P come after S, the sound should be different. Like not student. This is student. Okay? যেহেতু S এর পরে আসছে T টা, so the sound should be student, not student. And like এখানে যদি বলি, এখানে right pronunciation হবে stand, not stand. But সব ক্ষেত্রে T হবে, T, not T, ta. Okay? সব জায়গায় T হবে, but S এর পরে আসলে সেটা T হবে. Wait. So and যদি S এর পরে আসে সেটাও P হবে, not P. Like spoken, not spoken. Whatever. So last one is the curious kid is quite keen to catch the cockroach. The sound should be ka, not k, ka. The curious kid is quite keen to catch the cockroach. The curious kid is quite keen to catch the cockroach. Whatever guys, I hope you understood what I have just tried to say. When you practice at your home, please in the beginning try to slow down, try to go slow, and after that gradually try to gear up, try to speed up. Okay, I hope it will help you a lot, and I'm just repeating again. I'm repeating for your help so that you can understand how can you speed up, how can we gear up. আমি প্রথমে অনেক ধীরে ধীরে বললাম, এখন যদি আমি তাড়াতাড়ি বলি এভাবে হবে Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. আর যদি তাড়াতাড়ি বলি Peter and Potter paid the price for the piece of paper. Tom told Tommy to stand on the table to touch the tummy. The curious kid is quite keen to catch the cockroach. প্রথমে আস্তে আস্তে বলবেন, এরপর একটু দ্রুত যাবেন। আই হোপ ইট উইল রিয়েলি ওয়ার্ক, ইট উইল রিয়েলি হেল্প। অ্যান্ড লাস্ট বাট নট লিস্ট, please make sure you are practicing at your home through tongue twist. I assure you it will help you a lot. It will help you to remove your inertia and to develop your pronunciation on these three sounds. So no more today. I hope you enjoyed my session, you enjoyed my video. If you really do, please considering to subscribe my channel, and please stay safe and stay at home and keep praying for everyone, and always be patient. Do not be impatient. Think positive, be grateful for what you have. Do not be ungrateful for what you do not have. And please pray for me, pray for everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Stay jubilant.